Which one? Thoracic?
These guys, thoracic. These are all cervical vertebrae. Until they go around there, that's thoracic. Okay. Synsacrum, that's this structure right here. It's a fusion of bones. From here all the way back to here. Synsacrum is composed of thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and caudal vertebrae. The only vertebrae that are not in the synsacrum are the cervical vertebrae. Okay? So if I ask, give me two vertebrae that are found in here, it could be any two, as long as it's not cervical vertebrae. The only kind that are not in the synsacrum. Okay? Furcula, that's this structure, the wishbone. On the test you put furcula, not wishbone. Furcula is composed of clavicle, and interclavicle. So those are the bones that make up the furcula structure. Okay? Coracoid. That's this one right here. On both sides. Coracoid. Scapula. Let's go on this one. This thin bone right here on each side is the scapula. Thin sliver of a bone. Okay?
It's not on that one, or what?
It is, but the arm is tucked in, so it's you can't see it. It's here.
Yeah.
Humerus, just like our upper arm. Humerus. Radius and ulna in bird. Yep. The radius is here, the ulna is here. So the ulna is thicker, the radius is thinner. In a bird. Carpometacarpus. Go up here. Carpometacarpus is this part. This is the phalange. This is carpometacarpus. Okay?
Is it like part of the arm?
It's like this part of where their hand was. The bones are fused. So the
Like
digits, where the phalanges, our phalanges are like this, their phalanges are fused like this into one big phalange structure.
Part of it?
Yeah. This whole part is all carpometacarpus. This is phalange. Okay? Sternum. That's this structure, this whole thing. Big giant sternum. Okay. This part of it is the keel, and then this specific part of the keel is called the carina. Because carina means like horn, I think. Something like that. But yeah, this is carina, the point. The keel is for flight muscle attachment. Keel like a boat, but in a boat, the keel's for balance. In a bird, it's for flight muscle attachment. Okay? Ilium, ischium, and pubis. That's right here, ilium, ischium, pubis. Ilium, ischium, pubis. Okay? Femur, big leg bone, drumstick. Fibula, that's the little bone that's going along the side of the leg here. It's better on that one because this one's broken. So on that one, the tiny thin bone along the back leg. That's the fibula. Tibia tarsus is this, the thicker bone. And then tarsometatarsus is this one. These are phalanges. Okay? Why do birds' knees bend backwards?
Momentum for fucking like on legs.
It's not their knees. This is their ankle. This is the knee. Birds' knees don't bend backwards. It's just usually you only see this. The ankle. Okay?
And what's down there? By the foot.
What do you mean?
If that's the ankle, what's this?
That is this one.
Okay.
The knuckle.
The knuckle.
The knuckle of your foot. It's like they're standing like this.
Oh, okay.
but this has been elongated.